In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we can add your own music to your Filmora video just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So I already uploaded this video to my Filmora app, as you can see. So I want to add my own music to this video, okay? So it's really easy. All you have to do, guys, is you just need to click over here on import, okay? Click on import media files, okay, like this, and it's gonna take you to your laptop. Then choose your own music that you want to add. So for example, you want to add this music, as you can see. So I will just click over here on open, and here you go. Your music will be added to your Filmora account. So to add your music to your video, keep clicking in your music and put your music under your video like this. Then click on this flash and go and put this flash in the end of your video to be matched with your music. Then click over here, okay, to delete this part, okay, and double click on this one. Then click over here on cut, and here you go. Let's see, let's check now. And here you go. That's how you can add your own music to Filmora. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.